Today we're taking a look at this hard drive enclosure. So this is what it looks like. Just a nice sleek design with a USB cable. Also, Type-C cable as well. 2-in-1. For this, I like there's no screws or anything. You just push open to open it up. You do have some foam pieces in here. And you just connect your drive. Alright, so for us, we have this little drive here. Make sure we line this up. So we're just going to plug this in, directly in like that. So your enclosure might be bigger, your enclosure might be smaller. It just depends on your drive there. Or not enclosure, but your actual drive. So this is our drive. Alright, let's go test it out. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to connect this to our computer and it should light up. Alright, it is now connected. Yeah, very nice.